In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Koyfin Short Interest. Short interest can be a powerful sentiment indicator. It tells you how many shares of a stock are sold short, often expressed as a raw share count, a percentage of the free float, or a dollar value. High short interest can hint at bearish sentiment or a potential short squeeze if the price moves against short sellers. Low short interest generally suggests less skepticism in the market. With that context, let's walk through how to find it quickly in Koyfin and then see how it's changed over time. Start by opening Koyfin and using the search bar at the top to look up the ticker you're interested in. Type the symbol, select the security from the results, and you'll land on its main page. From here, you can use the snapshot view for a quick read, or switch to the G chart if you prefer a visual layout. In either place, look for short interest percent or short interest notional. Short interest percent shows the proportion of the company's free float that's currently sold short, which helps normalize across different market caps. Short interest notional converts those shorted shares into a dollar figure, giving you a sense of the scale in monetary terms. Some views will also display the number of shorted shares directly. When you see these values, take a moment to note the date label, since short interest often updates on a defined schedule and may have a slight reporting lag. That timestamp is important context when you're interpreting what the numbers mean today. To understand the story behind the snapshot, it's helpful to view how short interest has evolved. On the G chart, add short interest, amount of share, as a data series. This plots the historical shorted share count so you can spot trends, steady builds, or sudden spikes. A rapid increase can signal growing bearish positioning, while a sharp decline can mean shorts are covering. Consider the broader context as you read the line. Large jumps around earnings, news events, or sector moves can offer clues about what's driving sentiment. Keep in mind that absolute shares can look big or small depending on the company's size, so pair your interpretation with what you saw earlier in short interest percent or notional to keep perspective. That's it. First, use the search bar and check short interest percent or short interest notional in the snapshot or G chart for a quick sentiment read. Then, use the G chart to add the short interest shares series and review the history for meaningful shifts. With these two views, you'll have both the headline and the trend to make a more informed judgment.